B plus tree. What is B plus tree? B plus tree is a balanced binary tree. A B plus tree is a balanced binary tree that follows a multi-level index format. Balanced binary search tree. It is balanced binary search tree, BST, and it follows a multi-level index format. And the leaf node of B plus tree, they denote the actual data pointers. This B plus tree, it ensures that all leaf nodes remain at the same height, thus making it balanced. And also the leaf nodes, they are linked using the linked list. Therefore, a B plus tree can support random access as well as the sequential access. The structure of B plus tree, every leaf node is at equal distance from the root node. Every leaf node, we'll see the diagram. A B plus tree is of the order n, where n is fixed by every B plus tree. This is what I was talking about. Every leaf node is at equal distance from the root node, and B plus tree is of order n, where n is fixed by the B plus for every B plus tree. And the internal nodes here, which are not leaf, they contain at least n by 2, and this is the pointers except the root node. And at most, an internal node can contain n pointers. The leaf nodes, on the other hand, contain at least n by 2 record pointers and n by 2 key values. So at most, a leaf node can contain n record pointers and n key values, and every leaf node contains one block pointer p to point to the next leaf node and forms a linked list. In the insertion of B plus tree, the B plus tree are filled from bottom, and each entry is done at the leaf node. So if a leaf node overflows, we split node into two parts, and the partition is done like this: I is equal to n plus 1 by 2, m is the mid. And first this I entries are stored in one node, the rest I onwards means next are moved to the new node. This ith key is duplicated at the parent of the leaf, and if non-leaf node overflow, what happens here? The split of node is done into two parts, and the partition of the node is again at I equal to n plus 1 by 2, and the entries up to I are kept in one node and the rest are moved to the new node. What about deletion? The B plus tree entries are deleted at the leaf node. The target entry is first searched and then they are deleted. So if it is an internal node, then we delete and replace with the entry from the left position, and after deletion the underflow is again tested. If underflow occurs or takes place, we distribute the entries from node left to it. So if distribution is not possible from left, then distribute from nodes right to it. If the distribution is not possible from left or from right, then we merge the node with left and right to it. So this was very basic idea about B plus tree. Thank you so much.